Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. Today we're going to cover ZIM, which is a global shipping company. A lot of you might not know about, but this is one that pulled back here today because it paid out a significant dividend. So let's take a look at it and talk a little more about it. So as you can see, ZIM Integrated Shipping Services, ticker ZIM. At close of business, $77.23. Now it says it's up 8.76, but if you can see here, 77.23 yesterday, I actually dumped 165,000 into this to pick up the dividend. It says here 19.50. It's actually $17 dividend for this one. Ex-dividend date was today. So I picked up $165,000 worth. It was 1,878 shares. To capitalize on the dividend, it will be $17 special dividend, and they pay out typically a $2.50 dividend. So that's why you're getting the $19.50. It's 17 plus the $2.50. So really, when you're looking at this, it should be $2.50. But they do pay out a significant amount of their proceeds in dividends. So what you saw is there was a high yesterday of $88, about where I bought in. And then because of the dividend, it dropped down. Actually, in the pre-market, it was down to 71, and it recovered. That's where you're seeing this recovery, 8.76% recovery. So it's already recovered by 8% after dropping down by the $17 that it paid out in the dividend. It currently sits at 77.23. So this might be a good entry point for this one. It is a fast riser. Guys, this one has a significant amount of cash on their balance sheet, and like I said, they are paying out aggressively to their shareholders in the form of special dividends, typical $2.50 dividend quarterly, and then a special one around this time of the year, so it might be one to look at. 52-week range as low as $22.68. If you were lucky to get into it there in the last year, kudos to you. As high as $91.23, and I'm expecting it to get back to this $91.23. It was actually, I think, a little higher than that even last Friday. I think it was $94. Market cap at $9.253 billion. PE ratio of 1.98. Now this is extremely low, guys, but the industry average here is about 4.5 to 5. So it is lower than its industry average. And again, it is significantly, in my opinion, significantly undervalued. As we spoke about, forward dividend 19.50. This is not actually correct. That includes a 17 special dividend that was just paid out, ex-dividend date today. So really take away that $17 and it's $2.50. So you need to adjust that match, and the yield would not be correct either. And Yahoo Finance has a one-year target of $87, so they even think it's going to go up from here. Now let's look at what the analysts are saying. So according to 12 stock analysts, the average 12-month stock price forecast for ZIM is $88.74. That's about where I bought it yesterday. So they are seeing, according to these 12 analysts, a potential low of $63.63. So you might want to watch it if it continues to drop, which again, it was up down as low as 71 in the pre-market and rebounded to 77 pretty quick today. So I wouldn't anticipate it dropping, but you never know. So watch it, and if you can get it around that $63 mark, might be better. The average about where I paid, it'd be a 15% increase from here. And the high, they're estimating of $126, which I'm thinking it can get to 120. I don't know about 126, but my dollar cost our discounted cash flow analysis had it around 116 to 120, with $88 their median being a 15% below what it should be. So if it made it to this 126, that would be 63.79% appreciation according to stockanalyst.com. I'm not affiliated with Yahoo Finance or Stock Analyst, but this is where I get some of the information, and it is a consensus buy according to these 12 stock analysts. Like I said, I dumped $165,000 into it yesterday, but that was to get the $17 dividend, and I plan on to hold it until it runs up to this $126 range. If it makes it there, I might go out a little bit early, but I'm going to hold it at least through this year probably. As these higher shipping costs, they're really capitalizing on that, and they are returning a significant amount to investors. And here's where you can see that 12% decline from yesterday's high. So it did lose $10.79 from yesterday's. And again, that's partly because, or that's not partly, that's entirely because of the $17 dividend that they paid out. With that said, guys, that's the end of this video. ZIM might be one to watch. Take a look at it, see what you think. Do your own research, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Just trying to find some discounted stocks as things pull back. I'll bring them to you. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like this, hit the thumbs up, share with anyone you think might find value, comment, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment, let me know what you're thinking down below, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. As always, this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one, guys. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you are not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.